Hi, DCMS families. We are excited to be able to share with you our new website, your one-stop shop for all things NTI days at DCMS. It is bit.ly/DCMS Panthers. This website, which looks like this, is going to provide videos and other helpful links that will help you to feel confident in helping your student to learn virtually during this first 9 weeks of school. First up, I'm going to highlight a few things for you. This is where your student will link directly to their Gmail. We encourage the students to check their email at least 3 times a day before school starts, at their lunch break, and again at the end of the day so that they can be in communication with their teachers. Over here, this green button is where they can access Google Classroom. Google Classroom is where the students will be posting their assignments and receiving instruction and assignments. It's a very important website for them to use. Here in the middle is our parent and student resource for virtual learning. This link was created by Davis County Schools as a district, so this website will apply to any of the schools, and I really encourage you all to sit down as a family and go through it so you know what the tools are that we'll be using to facilitate learning during these NTI days, and so you can feel confident to help your student. If you're wanting some more information on Google Classroom, you can click here, and there's all kinds of videos and tutorials to help you feel confident. Going on down the page, you see here Infinite Campus information for checking grades. Also over here, we have a menu for contacting teachers and counselors, all organized nicely for you. In the middle here, we have our DCMS daily schedule. You remember that this year, our schedule, we're still going to have red and white days, but Wednesdays will look a little bit differently. To start the school year, we're going to have 2 red days in a row, August 26th and 27th, then finally our first white day on the 28th. But a normal week, we will have Mondays and Thursdays be red, Tuesdays and Fridays be white, and Wednesdays being our digital learning days, which just look a little bit differently. They're work days that are fashioned a little bit differently. Down here at the bottom, we've got our daily student expectations, helpful videos, and frequently asked questions. These 3 links are being updated and added to every day as we get more and more ideas for questions you all might have. So check out these links first if you have a question, and you might be able to find your answer there. Here is our library book search page that would take you to our DCMS library catalog. And then this yellow button is for those of you who might be in need of support, assistance, any sort of services that our Youth Service Center or our guidance counseling offices could provide for you. It is a Google form that will ask you some questions and then be sent to that team, and they would love to be of assistance in any way we can during these days. At the bottom, you see a different little icon for every team. These are the same links as you see over here on the left, and these are the links that you will use to get onto your Google Meets. So if we click the CATS team, that'll bring us to the CATS team page, and this is where your student will go every red day. They'll start with first block, and they'll choose their teacher, and they will be immediately connected to the Google Meet for that particular class. Now, if you want more information about how to read these schedules, I encourage you to go to this schedule information video here, and it can tell you all about that. And then I really encourage you to check out this video. It shows you how to make this website with all this great information into an app on your Apple phone.